We're gonna unbox this product from ZeboZap right now. So when I open the box, okay, you have a few things included in this product. And for your information, this product is a no drill TV mount. So they have included these straps, and it has these ratchets. And today I'm going to teach you how to do this. All right, next you have the main pillar unit. All right, this is the one where you place your TV. And inside here you have some wall plugs and also some screws for you to mount this baby onto a wall if you want to drill holes to mount this, but you don't have to actually. And they have included all these screws, okay, the attachments, the washers, the spacers, and yeah, this is the best part right here. Okay, this TV mount comes with the tools needed to mount this TV. Okay, they have this very cute little wrench. They have Allen key or hex key, all right, and all the screws needed, washers and everything. So what else do we have here? And there you have the main pillar unit. All right, this main pillar unit, actually the whole set is outdoor rated. All right, it's outdoor rated, so you could leave this TV mount outdoors even in rain. It is waterproof. So yeah, and then you have this is the VESA unit. All right, you place this onto your TV later, and I'm going to show you the whole process of mounting this. And I have a 32-inch TV right here, so I'm going to mount this TV onto this gazebo and show you how to do it. Let's go.